Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have the software NapoleonCat, and this is the best software to engage and support customers. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards on this platform. Now on the dashboard you can already see a couple of features, like for example analytics for your business, and this is going to be displaying different type of statistics related to what is going on onto your platform and informing you about your platform's health. You can also use the automatic moderation, save time monitoring your social inbox and let our automation work for you. Reply to comments, hide spam to your Instagram, Facebook ads, respond on Messenger, and all is that going to be happening automatically using their system of automatic moderation. Now if you head over to their inbox section, there will be all the mails and the messages that you can see that you received and all that stuff. On the left side we have a couple of features, like for example if you want to publish your business for engagement online, you can check your statistics there. Now I have currently not added a workspace, so you can do that by simply clicking on this new workspace option. Enter a name. Once you enter your name, you're going to be clicking on add workflow. Just wait for a couple of seconds, it will be added, and then you can start working with that. So it is now prompting that currently the active workspace has changed and you can reload. So simply give it a reload, and after a couple of seconds it will be loaded up with your workflow that you have created. Alright, so here as you can see it is now loaded and we can see our calendar, posts and my tasks. So it have a couple of other features as well that you can explore yourself, and you can use the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards on this platform. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.